All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's July 22nd when I'm recording this, and remember, I do have a webinar coming up this Wednesday. We're going to be talking about some bigger things in the market that I'm seeing, and would love to see you guys come into the Moxie room because, boy, we got a lot going on, and I think things are just about to hit. So we're going to be diving in a little bit more on that Wednesday for the webinar, but I want to give you a sneak peek. I think you guys might enjoy this. So I'm getting a lot of people kind of talk about this, and I'm looking at the small caps, and I don't think a lot of people are, and people are thinking, oh, we can't have the small caps go up, or we can't have the market move up if the mega caps don't go up, and we got to be careful about all this. I'm just going to show you guys this thing, and as I said, I'm going to dive into a little bit more, but this is back in November of 2020, and these are the same periods of time between these two white bars. This is when the IWM, the small caps, were on a tear. And I just want to show you, for one example, look at what Meta did. Meta was actually going down. I think it was Facebook at the time, but whatever. And look what they did. So, and I saw this across the board in 2020. I have a few more examples of this too, where, you know what? According to this, we don't necessarily need the mega caps to be going up in order to allow the small caps, the IWM, to move up. They can move separately. Now, of course, 2020 was definitely a special and unique time, but I think we are seeing some characteristics that are happening very, very similarly, and I think that there is an opportunity to be had, especially with some of this rotation that is going on. And I want you guys to know about that. Case in point, what I'm looking at, I think we're seeing some big things setting up with the crypto space. So Mara is one of the ones that is of very much interest to me. And again, we're going to be trading this. It's already shown its cards, its hand. I think something is going to be happening from here. And if you guys are interested in the rest of the tickers and the things that I see and the bigger picture that I see that I don't think too many people are talking about, come on over, check out the webinar on Wednesday, and I'll cover more about this. And otherwise, come into the Moxie trading room, and we've got a lot of people chattering around in there, having a great time showing charts, and I'm on the mic in there most days. And if you guys have any questions or anything else that we'd be looking at, I think it would be good and behoove you. So we are all in this together, having a great time with it, and we'd love to see you guys in the room. So see you soon. Thanks again. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.